Hi everyone, Alexandra here, owner and founder of Vinok Personal Stylist. You know how it is? We've got a Dior unboxing for Valentine's Day 2026. I'm so excited. I love this limited edition box. It says Je t'adore all over it in about as scattered a way as my brain works sometimes. And it's just lovely. I love the colors, but I'm really excited about what's inside the box because some of my favorites are in there. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm gonna open it up. Just love this. Then the gift set comes with this Miss Dior essence. What a beautiful bottle. And an even prettier smell. I will put the scent profile up. It's nice, it's warm and luxe. It's very good for, I would say, winter, early spring. Comes with this pouch that is also limited edition. And this is just for Valentine's Day, and it's patent red with the initials there, lovely. And inside it's just red lined, but it's big enough certainly to hold pretty much anything you might need. Then we've got this lip maximizer that came with the Miss Dior essence, and it's just such a simple, dainty color. It would go with everything. I'm about to prove that to you. A little bit of shimmer, very, very faint, great over red lipstick, great over plain nude lips. I ordered my Dior Stilo in one of my favorite colors of all time, which is this pearly lilac color I'm really excited about. I'll show you what that looks like on. Now is the star of this show. Dior Stilo. Pretty color. So it's got this really nice color for Valentine's Day. And then one of my favorite things about Dior, as you know, is they always give freebies with every order. So I've ordered, so you get to choose. And since I'm platinum, I get 2 of each. Dior Prestige La Creme, I use that all the time. And then one of my all-time favorite products, La Mousse Off and On. I use this as my facial cleanser every day. It's fantastic. I've done videos about it if you're curious. I'll link those below. Miss Dior Parfum and J'adore, which has like a very golden kind of warm ambery scent to it, just beautiful. So that is what we got from Dior this time for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, however you're celebrating. I hope, whether it's Valentine's or Galentine's or some mix of the two, I hope it's wonderful.